Hey everyone, this is going to be a video on how to install the updates on your EnTune in a Toyota car. This is a Toyota Prius. So what they want you to do is you need to download the file online that it's going to be on the Toyota website on what your latest update is, and I've already done that. And then the next step that you're going to do is you need to start your car up. So we're going to start up the car. Oh, you got to put on the brake. Okay. I'm going to turn off the air conditioner, even though it's very hot here. Okay, so what you want to do now is the next step is, I believe, you want to plug in the USB plug. So there's the USB jack. I'm going to plug this in. We'll only go in one direction. Hold on. There it is. I've got it plugged in. So the next step you're going to be doing is you're going to be going over to the screen. I'm on the screen, so I'm going to be pressing apps. To get more applications, you will need a compatible phone. Yeah. Okay. So now I think I want to go to settings or setup. I want to go to general. What else do I want to do? I think I want to arrow down to customize startup, delete, software update. So there's a software update over there. Let's check the update history. We have no update history, so we're going to go back. We're going to do update. So the current is 010189 and the new is 010101. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on update software. The new software is 160 megs. Would you like to start the software update? I'm going to click yes. This whole process could take maybe 10 minutes or so, 5 to 10 minutes. So installing the software, I'm just going to keep the camera running, because that's what you're going to be doing when you watch the video and then do the whole install. So we're at 10:37 in the morning. Dogs are barking in the background. What is the date? I think it's August 5th, 2018. So this is mostly how you do the updates on these things. We have a little bar over there that shows the progress, a progress bar, a progress thing, a little blue line over there. Please keep the media inserted and do not turn off the engine. They don't want you to drive. They want the engine running, but they do not want you to drive. Do not drive. Don't turn off the engine in the middle of this process. Don't unplug the USB dongle, thumb drive, pocket drive, whatever you want to call it. Don't unplug that while it's doing the install. And it will walk you through all the instructions on what you need to do. So if you like my videos, please do a thumbs up, a subscribe, or a like. If you have something you want me to review, if I can get a hold of it, I will gladly do a review. If you like my videos and they help you out and you want to donate to my channel, ask for my PayPal info. Donations are always welcome. We're only about a minute into this. I've got my foot on the brake. I don't know why. So, we're about a minute and a half in. Those that are bored that want to watch the little timer on your screen for the video to see how accurate I am with the time, I think we're about a minute or two into this. And alrighty, there we go. Dun 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 dun. I'm just going to provide a little tune for you as we sit here and wait for this to go. We're not even halfway done. Wow. 30. Yeah, this is going to take a while. Some of the things say it can take up to 5 minutes. Others say 10 or 15. So this is going to take a while. That's okay. Just got this car about 2 weeks ago. First car I have purchased in years and years and years. So I was just amazed I've got a really old car that doesn't have any of the safety features or any of the electronics on there, all the high-tech stuff. I was shocked to see a 900-page manual on how to use this car. So I'm not sure I'm going to be needing this update. This update really doesn't do much for the average person, according to what I read. Just some minor fixes for very minor problems. So it is not really going to make much of a difference for the average person, which is a good thing. That means that they did the right thing when they installed the software, when they designed the software. So we still have installing new software. Please keep the media inserted and do not turn off the engine. We're at 10:40. I think I started at, what, 10:36, 35, 37? I don't know. So we're at halfway point. And I know a lot of people get really angry. They say, why didn't you shut off your camera? Or why don't you edit better? Or why don't you do this? Or why don't you stop with the ads on your videos? And my answer to that is, don't watch it if you don't want to watch it. My channel, my videos, I do what I want. You don't like it? You leave me a rude message. I click report. And I let YouTube know that you're annoying and harassing me. If you benefit from my videos, leave me a good comment. Otherwise, don't say anything at all. Works out pretty well. So, yeah, there's a lot of stuff on this car that I have to learn. I've only driven it, what, once? Twice? I bought it, I think I drove it once. Took it out, and it's got that gauge, that little thing that shows how well you drive on a scale of, I'm laughing now. It shows how well you drive on a scale of 0 to 100, and my rating was number 47. And I'm looking on the screen right now, and it says my average miles per hour, 28. And when I first got this thing, when I bought it, it said the average miles per gallon. What, did I say hour? The average miles per gallon, I think it was listed as 50, which is about what it should be. And I drive this thing kind of like I drive my sports car that I have. The software is ready for updating. Please park your car at a safe location and turn the engine off and on to complete the update. Okay, so I'm going to shut off the engine. Everything is off. I know you can see the camera in the screen. Now I'm going to put my foot on the brake. And I'm going to start the car up again. And I don't know what's going to happen. Checking surroundings, safety, display. Alright, I'm not sure if it's all done, or if I need to, let's go check and see what we have here. Okay. Setup. General. Oops. Software update. No, I don't want to. Okay, so let's go. Wasn't there a software history? No. Software update. Update history. There it is. That's the update that I just put in. So, details. Let's see what the details are. Are there any details? No details. Alright, so that's how you do your install of your update for your EnTune on the Toyota Prius, and probably all Toyota cars. Some of them you don't have to go into all of these. You just click on the app and then it will show you, you go to General. Others it will just show you the update screen right away. Sometimes you have to go to Setup. Sometimes you go to General and then Setup. You'll find it. Just look for the software update. Down over here, unplug your USB. They say make sure you put it in a safe place so you don't lose it. Well, you don't really need to put it in a safe place because it doesn't matter if you lose it. You already updated everything. So that's how you do it all. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you watch all my other awesome videos. I've got some really cool stuff on here.